안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I'm your Korean mentor. Today we will discuss vocabulary from 81 to 100. If you did not watch the video of 61 to 80, click on I button or visit my channel's playlist. Vocabulary. Oh hui. Oh hui. Our first word is color. Sekkal. 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 Name. Iram. 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 Cash. Hyungam. 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 Water. Mul. 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 Potato. Khamja. 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 Carrot. Dangan. 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 Sweet potato. Khoguma. 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 Secretary. Piso. Biso. Biso. Grandmother. Halmoni. 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 Mother is Omoni and grandmother is Halmoni. Bed. Nappan. 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 Good. Choun. 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 Pretty. Yuppun. 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 Ugly. Motsengin. 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 This shiot is used in the end, that is why it sounds T, not S. Motsengin. Face. Olgul. 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 Easy. Shviun. Shviun. First we use shiat, then we use double vowel we. Shvi. Un. Shvi un. Easy. Exam. She home. She home. She home. Difficult. Oryo un. Oryo un. Oryo un. Problem. Munje. 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 Far. Molly. 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 Near. Khakaun. 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 So I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends and ask question in a comment box. And follow me on Facebook page. Kamsahamnida. Thank you.